444. It's Jade Signs. 58V Mazan Lees. 84S Hayden Barker. 6V Dion Mooney's there. Dion Mooney always there or thereabouts. 99 Cody Lockett. 83 Steve Cooper's there. 83W, that is. 51G Alex Small. Green flag and away they go. So it's Blair Reeves Smith first into the corner, and he gets spun, and immediately look who's in the lead. 992 Taylor Lamp. 212 car, but slow to get restarted. Nope, he's away now, that's good. So I wonder if he's going to go for a charge, or I wonder if he's just going to sit and wait. So Lamp's running right out by the wall, throwing up a shower of sparks, looking really good in the as the dark starts to descend on Oceanview Speedway. He's got a very handy advantage. He's trying to see who's in second place at the moment. That's the 444 of Jade Signs. Then we got 84 Hayden Barker. 58 Mazan Lees, 99 Cody Lockett. All Lees gets spun around, goes right round 360, keeps going. Dion Mooney's right there as well. Now the 77 car of Brent Tonetti. That's been spun down at the town bend. Mooney and Lockett having a bit of a set too as well. But that's all good news for Taylor Lamp, because that's all handling way behind him. And right at the moment you wouldn't bet against him taking his third heat win of the night. Oh, the 23G car of Davis spins down in turn 4, right across the track. He's got going, he's going to go backwards, yes. With his Gisborne teammate Alex Small there as well. Oh, and a big shunt into the wall right down in front of me here. That's Mooney and Lockett. So they're having some fun. This time it's 175. Sam Prescott spins down in turn 4. Taylor Lamp, just nearly got caught by the 51G car of Alex Small, but got a wee bit crossed up, drove out of it though. So he continues to hold a very handy lead. '84 Hayden Barker's running in second place, and he's best part of half a lap behind. So Lamp's certainly the fastest car out there in this heat. The rest of the field are just playing for second. Dion Mooney's starting to put some pressure on Barker now as well. It's the closest to the front he's been all night. But he's just been lurking with intent. Mooney powers up into second place as Lamp comes around. He's going to take the checkered flag. 3 wins on the night. Oh, Dion Mooney, I thought he was going to come home in second place, but he's not, because Hayden Barker got him a beauty coming out of turn 4. Mooney was out by the wall. Barker just came across the corner, perfectly legal. And he absolutely slammed Mooney into the wall. So I'm sure that will be filed away in Dion's little black book. All of that was secondary to 992 Taylor Lamp, taking another very comfortable victory. And he will be the top qualifier going into the Elite Mechanical, Dash for Cash, coming up later in the night. So he's going to be told in a wee while that he's got a choice to make as to where he starts the final from and whether he wants to run for good money or really good money.